Hello everyone, welcome to another simple tutorial of Windows 10. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn on or off airplane mode in Windows 10. So first, you can turn on or off airplane mode from your keyboard. So if you see the function button in your keyboard, you can see there's a airplane icon in the button, and that's the airplane mode. If you press that button, the airplane mode will be on or off. So in my laptop it is function 12, so it can be any other function button in your laptop. So I'm going to show you how to turn on or off from the interface. So if you go down in the right corner here, you can see there's a Wi-Fi icon here. So if you just click it, and you can see there's the airplane mode option. So if you click here, now you can see my Wi-Fi is off and airplane mode is on. So that's how you turn on the airplane mode in Windows 10. And if you have to turn off it, just click it, and now you can see my Wi-Fi is again connecting and airplane mode is off. So that's it. This is a very simple tutorial for you. That's how you turn on and off the airplane mode in Windows 10. So if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.